Setting your sights on success, mastering English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, have one's sights on. This phrase is not only popular but also paints a vivid picture when it comes to setting goals or ambitions. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and sound more like a native, you're in the right place. The phrase, have one's sights on, is a metaphorical expression that originates from the literal action of aiming with a sight, which is a device used for aiming firearms, cameras, or measuring instruments. In everyday English, when someone says they have their sights on something, it means they have a specific goal, ambition, or desire that they are focused on achieving. For example, if someone says, I have my sights on becoming a doctor, it means their goal or ambition is to become a doctor, and they are focused on achieving this. Using have one's sights on in sentences is quite straightforward. Here are a few tips to remember. It is often followed by a noun or a noun phrase. The structure is generally have plus possessive pronoun. My, your, his, her, our, their, plus sights on, plus goal, ambition. Examples. She has her sights on winning the championship next year. We have our sights on buying a new house by the end of the year. These examples show the phrase in action, demonstrating how it's used to express determination towards achieving a goal. Let's put what we've learned into practice. Try creating your own sentences using have one's sights on. Think about a goal or ambition you have and frame it using this phrase. Here's a simple structure to follow. I have my sights on your goal here. This practice will not only help you remember the phrase but also get you thinking about your own ambitions in English. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, have one's sights on. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of how to use this expression to talk about your goals and ambitions. Remember, learning a language is about building one piece at a time, and today, you've added a colorful piece to your English vocabulary puzzle. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Until next time, keep your sights on your language learning goals, and you'll achieve them before you know it.